Kia ora koutou. My name is Nick Page. I'm the Head of Social Science here at Ōtūmoetai College. So I've always tried to stay current with my teaching and looking for new challenges to stay fresh and interesting. I certainly enjoy the classroom most of all in terms of the many things I have to do around here. In terms of data that we've been using in the difference before and post Writer's Toolbox, I think that's been quite hard. We often just used to look at the success rates within NCA for our senior students and so forth. What Writer's Toolbox has allowed us to do now is to drill deeper into some of the mechanical aspects. And so, for example, this year our emphasis in our department is around planning and editing, and so we're able to use some of the Writer's Toolbox feedback functions to get data around, are the students planning well before they write, are they going back and making changes and those sorts of things. And I think for us, we're at that stage now where we know that some of those incremental changes can make quite a big difference. And we're excited that now there's a milestone function for Writer's Toolbox that we're going to be able to use when we want to do some critical bits of assessment, just to sort of see at this point in time what can the students do, and has what we've been doing been starting to make a difference. So I think it's important that they start to see the connections with the aspects of the Writer's Toolbox and the functions of writing. It starts to hopefully give them some confidence in the fact that they can be good writers, but also more importantly that they see the purpose of some of the different mechanics and the functions within writing and what their particular role is, so they can start to become, I guess, more autonomous in using those things themselves at the appropriate time. One of the things we often try to focus on is giving students a bit more agency in their writing and not necessarily having to follow templates or structures the whole time, and so that they become more independent. And when you hear students start to sort of say those things, you can hopefully start to sort of realise that that their agency is beginning to grow. My favourite thing about Writer's Toolbox, I think, I'm a bit of a stats person, so I just like the fact that there's a lot of statistics, feedback for the students, but also for the staff that we can use. But all of the tools that are there, the writing templates, the guidance and scaffolding that it provides students, the little modules that they can work through, they're all valuable components of building students' confidence in their writing.